The Future of Yakutia. The essay written by Sharova Ella. What will people think about when they hear the word future? Someone would think of flying cars and enormous skyscrapers, as if our future looked like some cyberpunk movie or a game. Some will think about their personal future, about the dreams and goals they would like to achieve. But what will people think if someone asks them about the future of their homeland? Today, I, as a person living in one of the biggest republics on the territory of Russian Federation, the Republic of Saha, Yakutia, will answer this question. So, how does one imagine the future of Yakutia? Needless to say, even now Yakutia is pretty far technologically advanced and developed republic, but there's no limit to perfection. Firstly, according to scientific researches, the human society will be integrated with artificial intelligence in all kinds of forms by the nearest 50 years. Being under impression of this, I dare to suppose that Yakutia's future will also be closely associated with robots. Due to climate conditions, many lands around here are still unexplored, and that is where robots can help a great deal. Moreover, they can support us to colonize already discovered ones. They can assist us build and work there. Secondly, I would like to speak about traditions of people of Yakutia. I do not think that it will be lost with the time flowing, no, not at all. Furthermore, to my way of thinking, humans are going to be more in touch with their cultural past as if they were for now. Progressive technologies will allow people to know more about rich history of this land through interactive exhibitions and innovative kinds of studying materials. But with all these paintings of a luring future, minds of youth are taking but one simple and yet baffling question. How can we help this future to come? What shall we do for it? I reckon this as my personal question as well. So, I think the first step to make our homeland be a better place is studying hard and believing in the idea of your capability to make a change. The second, of course, is do not stop believing only, but really trying to work hard and make a difference. We, as a present generation, are not like our parents, and it really shows sometimes, but we are full of completely new ideas and talents, and if we get a chance, we will make a difference. To summarize my whole essay, I would like to quote one of the greatest men in Yakutia's history, its first president, Mihail Efimovich Nikolaev. He once said, "We live in a free world. We must be open, courageous, be proud of ourselves, share our achievements, talk about our creativity, about our bold projects." This message is something that we can really hold on to. Only by being open and brave, we can really help Yakutia's future to be as bright as we can imagine it.